Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your IKEA employee account. So let's get started. First, open any browser that you like. Then in the search bar, type in IKEA employee login, then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as ikea.com. In my case, it's the first one, so tap on it. And here you need to provide your email address to log into your account. So type your email in the text field given for your email. Then tap on the next button. Then you will need to provide your password to log into your account. Now type a password in the text field given for your password. And when that's done, tap on the login button. And you'll be logged into your account successfully if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you never miss an update. Feel free to drop any of your queries or questions in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.